This is the Tower Hotel near Tower Bridge in London, and it's lifts all the time. This hotel is very posh, but on the outside it has 60s brutalist architecture, but on the inside it is very expensive and upmarket. And now we go to the main lifts. These lifts are rather posh and fit in with the hotel, and these lifts are generics. I've seen this quite a few times now, where even the most expensive of places are going for lifts from brought in parts. It's very disappointing that this place didn't get a lift from a proper manufacturer. But anyway, these lifts do go a nice and fast 3 meters a second.
Lift going up. Please mind the doors. Twelfth floor.
And now to the main service lifts. The buttons in these lifts I've seen in videos of lifts in America, which is quite interesting. See these buttons over here.
Second floor.
And now let's take a look around this posh hotel. The corridors are very nice here, and one really interesting thing is, rather than having a little sign that you put on the door for either room service or do not disturb, they actually have lights next to the rooms which a person in the room can light up, and it can either be green for room service or red for do not disturb. And now let's come on looking around, and now we go along to the end of the corridor and to the little tucked away service lift, which is an awesome single speed express lift. Yes! Now we go to the next lift, which is also another awesome single speed express lift.